I'm never falling, need somebody I could fall on. I don't want for nothing, he gon' help me get my ball on. Take me round the world until the mall is spinning all on. And I just need a ride of it. Beat the pussy, fall asleep inside of it. Used to have a hoes, but I got tired of it. Now my niggas like this, who you rockin' with, this who I'm rockin' with. Ain't no question, girl, what we got is such a blessing. All those old relationships was lessons, I swear this shit feels special. I finally got someone to lean on, all up in my feelings, but a nigga still a Cheeto. We don't worry about these lanes, no, no, no. We just do the race and get that cake. Now cut it up, fast lane, we be fast lane. Watch us run it up, gas gang, get that cash, man, we gon' fuck it up.
What is up, Deezy Nation? It's your girl Deezy back at it again with another video. So all I'm about to do is turn this fro into something, shoot, I don't know. So this is like a 3-day-old wash and go. And what I'm gonna do, you already know what I say. In order for me to make my hair more manageable, I have to wet it up so it can be able to move. So I'm gonna just spray it throughout. Spray my hair. Wait, spray water throughout my hair. There we go. Just to soften it up. Get all the gel and whatever the thickness out through there. Yada, yada, yada. I'm just rambling. Oh my gosh. So I'm just using my hair oil from from Dollar Club. You know, just greasing my scalp, moisturizing it, you know. Shake what your mama gave you.
Boot up, in my heart go bottom, boot up. It just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true.
So now I'm just taking Heaven in Here by DEVA Curl. It's a deep conditioner. And so what you can do with it, you can take a small amount and put it throughout your dry hair. Or you can put a large amount, use it in the shower, let it sit for a good 5 minutes, and rinse it out. But because I didn't feel like washing my hair or anything, I just took a little bit amount and just put it on my ends. So now I'm just parting my hair all the way down the middle. I didn't care if it was straight, crooked, left, right. I was tired. And I didn't feel like messing with it. So my hair dries quick, so I'm just spraying some more water in there. Getting my Demon brush. Getting all the naps and nooks and crooks and wooks. And books and hooks and looks and... Oh yeah, that's all I got. So I'm just detangling my hair. It looks like I'm being rough, but I'm really not. I'm getting the roots. So when it comes time to me slicking down my hair, I'm not hitting any logs, bogs, hogs. I'm not hitting any knots to stop me. Now I'm getting my Eco, the magic goop, and just putting it on the perimeter. For some reason, whenever I use certain products, this gel doesn't slick down for real. It's just like slipping right, like it just makes a bunch of product in my hair, and it doesn't lay down my hair because of the cast on my hair. So like all the products on my hair, it doesn't do it sometimes. And I noticed that with the new products I've been using, and I don't like it, but whatever. So I'm just going to, what I did, I just brushed it, slicked it out, and put it in one ponytail, one low ponytail. Now I'm getting this little brush, edge brush, and just, you know, putting my edges how I want it. Oh God. And then you just do the same to the other side.
Excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Biddy da-dum, boot up. Hear my heart go bottom, boot up. Biddy da-dum, it just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feel it all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. No, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh. No, I'll never get over you.
So it wasn't tight enough, and I just didn't like it. Wasn't laying, like I said. Like, the Eco Styler didn't do much for my hair because I felt like I already had a bunch of product build up in my hair. So I took it down again and did it over. Then my hair tie breaks. This hairstyle literally took 45 minutes to do, and it shouldn't have. Like, this hairstyle would have been way much easier if I would have washed my hair and got all the buildup out. But I'd be tired.
How I love to keep you here with me. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Biddy da-dum, boot up. Hear my heart go bottom, boot up. Biddy da-dum, it just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feel it.
So once I got it how I wanted it, I just spray my puffs to get it moist. And then I take DEVA Curls Super Cream, which is just a styling cream. Like, I love this cream because it's light. It's not like Shea Moisture. It's not thick. It doesn't hold down your hair. And I mean, it doesn't, like, it enhances your, like, it makes your curls in the waves. So it doesn't clump up the curls like Shea Moisture, but it elongates the curls. You know what I mean? And I absolutely love it because it's lightweight. So I just put that on my puffs, wet it, get my Denman brush, and just brush it through to get the curls. After I get that, I get the DEVA Curls Archangel. I think I said that right. Which is just the gel. It's nothing like Eco Styler. It's a very light holding gel. I just put it on there just to, you know what I'm saying, like, get away, keep the frizz away. You know what I'm saying? Just to hold it. If I was to put a max hold number on it, I would say it's a max hold of 3. It's not heavy at all. Their products is not heavy. And stay tuned because I'm going to do a DEVA Curl review. Now it's time for the Google Gagas. Y'all not ready?
You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do.
Y'all don't understand. I struggled so much doing my baby hairs. Like, this is probably the most frustrating hairstyle, baby hairs, I could ever do. They just wasn't laying right. Like, I'm done talking. Y'all just watch.
Boot up, in my heart go bottom. Boot up, biddy da-doo. It just won't stop. It go bottom. Boot up, biddy da-doo. Boot up, yeah. It just won't stop. It go. And I gotta admit that you got my. with me. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Biddy da-dum, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up. Biddy da-dum, it just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you?
So after it took me an hour to do my Googles, they finally come together. This is just freestyling because this was just an accident. Them boys look sleeky though. Hey. And yeah, I'm just redoing the puffs. Just redoing the puffs. Goodness, my voice just cracking. And pretty much this is the hairstyle. 2 low sleek buns on natural hair with the Goo Goo Gagas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so you can be a part of the notification gang too.
It just won't stop it go. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say yo. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss, I saved the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Biddy da-dum, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up. Biddy da-dum, it just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby?